Hello everyone. So today we're going to be determining whether an ordered pair is a solution of a system of equations. So we're given this system of equations right here, and we're given this ordered pair where 2 is the x value and 3 is the y value. So what we do is we start off by plugging in 2 for x, so we get 3 times 2, and we plug in 3 for y, so we get 2 times 3. And if we do 3 times 2, that's equal to 6, and 2 times 3 is also equal to 6. And if we add both of these terms together, we get 12, which does indeed equal the answer that was specified within the first equation. So this ordered pair does indeed satisfy the first equation. Now let's move on to the second equation. So we have x minus y equals -1. So we start off by plugging in 2 for x, and we plug in 3 for y, So we plug in 3 for y, so we get 2 minus 3, and 2 minus 3 is obviously equal to -1. So since the ordered pair solution is equal to the solution to the second equation, this ordered pair does indeed satisfy the second equation. So this ordered pair is indeed a solution to the system of equations, and that is correct. Now we can move on to the next question. So this right here is our next question. So our first equation is 5x plus 6y equals 44, and our second equation is 3x minus 2y equals 1, where our ordered pair is 4, 4, where again this 4 is the x value and this 4 is the y value. So as we did before, we're going to be plugging in 4 for the x within this system of equations and 4 for this y within this system of equations. So if we do that, we get 5 times 4 plus 6 times 4, and that is equal to 20 plus 24, and that is equal to 44. So our first equation is satisfied from the ordered pair. Now we move on to the next equation. So we have 3 times 4 minus 2 times 4. And 3 times 4 is equal to 12. And 2 times 4, by the way, is equal to 8. So now, if we do 12 minus 8, that is equal to 4. But the only problem is that 4 is not equal to the solution projected within the second equation. So that means that this ordered pair is not a solution to this system of equations. Now on to the last problem. So for the last problem, we have x plus 5y equals 11 and -2x plus y equals 0 with the ordered pair 1, 2. And we do everything like we did it before. I'm actually going to give you guys a few seconds to solve this problem, and I'm going to come back in a few seconds to solve it afterward. So pause the video and I'll come back. Okay, so now let's try and solve this problem. So we have x plus 5y equals 11. So we start off by plugging in 1 for x, and then we plug in 2 for y, and we get 11. So that is indeed correct, and it equals to this solution. Then we have the next equation, which is -2x plus y. So we plug in 1 for x, we plug in 2 for y, and that is indeed equal to 0, which is the exact same solution as is provided within the second equation. So this ordered pair is indeed a solution to the system of equations. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to the channel down below, and until next time.